New week, new words, new topic. Are you ready? Let's get started. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have Əlavə today. Əlavə. Əlavə can mean additional, extra, spare. We are learning real-life items today. You'll see why. But let's search what does Əlavə mean. Understand it better. Let's start with phrases. Additional fee, extra time, supplemental information. Əlavə ödəniş, əlavə vaxt, əlavə məlumat. Əlavə ödəniş, extra fee. Ödəniş is a payment. In this case, fee, you have to pay. Extra time, əlavə vaxt. Vaxt is a time, straightforward. Əlavə məlumat, məlumat is information. Əlavə, extra, additional, supplemental information. Now let's use some of these in some sentences. Bu paket üçün əlavə ödəniş tələb olunur. An additional fee is required for this package. Package, paket. It's a loan word. So it comes in Russian and we use it as is. You may have heard packet, package. So, bu paket üçün, for this package, əlavə ödəniş, additional fee, tələb olunur, is required. Olmak, olunur. See? The infinitive form is required, is tələb olunmak. It comes from the word tələb olmak. Olmak means to be, ol, be. Tələb, requirement, need. Now, tələb olmak, to require, tələb olunmak, you derive it to be required. Tələb olunur is required. It's fun, isn't it? You gotta crack the secret of the suffixes in Azerbaijani. After that, everything is straightforward. Because it's technically the same word, you just change forms to build new words. Or you want to change it, let's say, from singular to plural, you just add those. All right? Let's see another sentence. Tapşırığı bitirmək üçün bizə əlavə vaxt lazımdır. We need extra time to finish the task. Tapşırıq, the task. You can also use ev tapşırığı if you want to say homework in terms of school. Now, tapşırıq, so the word itself is tapşırık. But when you add suffix, g drops, it comes its consonant counterpart, g. Tapşırığı, the task. Okay, bitirmək üçün, to finish. Üçün is for to finish, basically. Bizə, we, to us, basically. Əlavə vaxt lazımdır. We need extra time. Lazım is a need. Vaxt, time. Tapşırığı bitirmək üçün bizə əlavə vaxt lazımdır. That was 100% fully Azerbaijani sentences that is used on a daily life. Remember, the word əlavə doesn't need to have full Azerbaijani sentence. I have something for you. All the əlavəs bring the total cost up to twice what I've planned. Sounds familiar? Right. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new set of real world. Remember, that's the key for this week. Real world words. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com where I post blogs every 10 days.